So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone notification bar. When you get to this section, tap on this small settings button close to your profile, and you are going to get to your settings. So when you get to settings, what you have to do is to scroll a little bit, and you're going to see apps and notification. Tap on it to open it. So after tapping on it to open it, tap on see your apps and wait for the apps to load. So you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetical form after loading. So let's wait. So as you can see, all the apps are listed alphabetical form. So now what you have to do is to search for NBA 2K app. So this is NBA 2K. So just tap on NBA 2K mobile. After that, tap on storage. Tap on you have to tap on permission and make sure the storage is allowed. So after allowing the storage, what you have to do is to tap on show notification. Make sure the show notification is also allow. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data restriction. It depends on the phone that you're using. So make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK, and lastly tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to update the app. After getting the latest update of this app, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, and you're going to see this pop up. So restart, power off, and airplane mode. So just tap on the restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it really worked for you, please tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends on other platforms.